main thing like why we switch from SV and UVM. So what are the things they advanced in UVM? This thing.
Okay.
When you come to the like SV or UVM part, SV and UVM part means there will be like system variant. They will ask mainly thing like threads and
Yeah.
mailbox.
Fork
Yeah,
joining.
yes,
That one.
threads thing. So they will give one question like they will ask like whenever
Delay something.
yes. So whenever two threads is process sorry, whenever first thread is so you think there will be two threads will be there. So whenever
Okay.
first thread is complete, next second thread should be activate, like these scenarios. They will give some scenarios, so you want to do that one using fork join or fork join any fork join
Fork
on.
join none of there.
Yes.
Mm.
So you think you consider like one intro question like what I have faced when I am in training means like there will be three threads, three begin and will be there, three threads.
Uh,
Okay.
okay.
Whenever thread one and thread two will be finished, then thread three will be start. So how
Okay.
you can use, how you can develop this one? This is a scenario they will give. You understand what I am telling? You got my point?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Like this
What
scenarios they will ask.
what questions you'll ask in interview in UVM something UVM?
In UVM, na, they will ask like main handshake between the driver and the sequencer.
Okay. Okay.
Handshake between a driver and sequencer. Every component they will have own job. So when you understand each component what they will do, like driver, sequencer, monitor. So like you
Yeah.
think just a driver, what it will do, it will convert the transaction level into signal level, so it will give to the virtual sequencer, sorry, interface. So like driver it
Okay.
will do, so monitor what it will do, it will back to convert signal level into transaction level, because our top model will be only communication in terms of transaction level. So that's it.
Okay.
So like each component have different job will be there. So you understand, when you understand this each component jobs, then you can easily build and so initial level you build like AND gate for UVM test bench. You take AND gate
Okay.
design and you
I
build
will
test
develop
bench
with
and
you.
you try some zero zero.
Initial Initially, I
Yeah.
developed with test switch in flip flop, D flip flop.
Okay.
Yesterday I developed D flip flop.
Okay. You got know what actually exactly working each component. So if you
Yeah.
change in driver, what will happen in how output will be reflect. So you should be
Okay.
like everything will be chain reaction will be there. So if you change something, that
Mm.
will reflecting in some other.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Somewhat cases.
UVM, yes. UVM they will ask mainly phases and run phase. Why it is only like task, all other functions. So you want to differentiate those things, and sub run phases are sub. There will be 12 phases will be there. So why that is needed, and like objections. So mainly objections also usually objections. We have heard about objections like rise and drop objections.
Yeah, I know that. A little
Yeah,
bit I
yeah.
know that thing.
No,
Rise.
no, not little bit. You should be like clarify that one, because they will ask like objection why they are using in test bench.
Okay.
Like this, these are things you should be clarity with that topics. So then when you get at least one chance or two chance, then you usually clear that one.
Okay.
This is the main thing. Think when this is all like SVUVM. So when it comes to the protocol, they will ask more things. So if you mention anything like what your roles and responsibility. So think
Mm.
I have gone through spec, or I have done some test cases. So they will ask. So you injected any error test cases. So how duty will be like that. So you are develop like master or slave. If you are verifying or master or slave, like this, these are all things you want to clarify, want to like who knows.
I can
They will
develop
not
only
accept.
slave part only in
Okay.
APB. I can develop slave part in
Okay.
my
Yeah.
institution only.
Okay. You
APB
should
slave
be
only I
like,
can develop.
yeah. That is enough for them. They will ask like what you done slave, what means what are the things you done test cases.
Oh, okay. Okay.
In slave part you done APB slave part one. Okay na?
Mm.
Yeah, in slave part what are the
Little
test
bit. I
cases?
develop only. I can develop only in that SV, not in
not in
UVM.
UVM.
Hmm.
Okay, okay. Not in UVM, you done in SV. Okay, okay. You can
SV.
tell first initial itself, like I have not worked on UVM. I've just worked on an SV itself. That is also thing so good.
What I didn't understand that thing.
Since you mentioned like you work on the part in SV language or UVM, like SV test bench or UVM test, that is the main thing. So if you work on SV test bench, that is also good. Next, UVM, if you compare to SV test bench, UVM is very easy.
Okay.
You just convert the some like there will be generator driver will be there. So here also some agents, some things will be there. That's it.
Here something will be there. Here in UVM, something analysis port that I didn't.
Yeah,
Analysis port
analysis
is there.
port, it will connect between the like here mailbox will be not there. Okay, na in UVM.
Yeah, mailbox. In SV, mailbox is there for communication
No,
purpose.
yeah,
Generator to
yeah.
driver.
In that will be in SV, but if it is in UVM, na, mailbox will be not there. Okay, so
Only
how
in
communication?
inside agent it will. Inside agent it will present in monitor score
No,
and
no, 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 no,
driver.
no. No, mailbox will be not there. So how here there will be communication here? Communication between happen between the ports. Like monitor.
Analysis
If
port.
it,
Uh,
yes, yes, that ports through port will communicate. But in SV they will use mailbox. Why that mailbox? Mailbox want to write some additional code and you want to get in same sequence of what you done, what you inject that generator. Na? So same thing you want to
yeah.
get in driver. So
Okay.
you want to write some additional code for that. But in UVM that
Uh,
additional code will be like predefined. Okay,
okay.
if you just get next item like port, that will be predefined. That's
Yeah.
it. Okay, you don't that so many documents, so many different shades will be there. Factory
Okay.
and the base classes. Okay, if you want base classes means you want to like search UVM driver or UVM monitor dot svh. So what are the things inside the base classes? You can see that one.
Okay.
Dot svh means source code. Dot svh.
Okay.
If you like, if you type like UVM driver dot svh means it will come whole thing whatever inside the base class.
Okay.
Okay, these are things
All things
and
I can type this thing only. UVM driver dot SVH, UVM driver dot monitor,
dot
SVH.
svh. Yes, yes, yes,
Uh,
all those things. And you should be good at like hierarchy. There will be some hierarchy will be there, like first components will become after object, after that there will be a UVM wide. These are some hierarchy there, so you want to go through that hierarchy. That is good, and you will get some knowledge there.
okay.
Hierarchy, that UVM hierarchy also very important, because some sequence transaction sequence will be extended from transaction extend from sequence item, like this scenario is there. That hierarchy
Yeah.
you should be good at that hierarchies.
Okay.
Hello,
These
Vinay.
things,
So
these are
please
things
start.
will be yeah.
So please respond one by one questions to respond to interview. So Vinay, you can start now.
Okay, okay. Yeah, firstly I will like to ask like how what are the difference, like uh, Verilog and system Verilog and UVM, what are the main difference you people will know? So I want to know that one. There will be some 2 3 differences there, so you can answer that one. That is good if you know that one. Yeah, hello. No one responding.
So please respond, all guys.
Otherwise I will tell only questions like that. It's like one way will happen. It's like
basically,
yeah, yes, yes.
basically Verilog is an HDL language, hardware description language, while system Verilog is it is purpose for verification.
No, that is also HDVL, design and verification also we can use in system Verilog.
But in system Verilog, we can only pass the test benches only, no.
No, Verilog also we can verify na. If some test bench from TB you are driving zeros and 01. So from Verilog also you are doing that one verification.
While in Verilog, we output will be mentioned only reg.
Yeah, there will be some difference. Like like you think Verilog
But
and
in
system
system
Verilog,
Verilog, we can, but system Verilog, we have to use logic.
main difference, from Verilog we cannot verify the complex design. Okay.
Yeah, complex design.
Yes, that we cannot verify. Simple design we can verify, but system Verilog and UVM we can verify complex designs. So that's the main theme. That's why we move from Verilog to system Verilog and UVM. Okay, this is the main difference. We can verify from Verilog also, system Verilog also, UVM. So why we move from, like, we cannot complex design we cannot verify. We can verify, but so much glitch will be there. So much. So that is the one thing. Okay, like this advanced functions and tasks will be there inside the system Verilog. So we can
We
pass
have
from, like,
mainly OOPS concept.
mainly oops concept. That is also good. So this is one
Yeah,
difference is there.
Verilog.
During runtime we can
Whereas
allocate
coming
the
for
memory.
whereas coming to UVM, we have like library based classes like automation will be more.
Yes, yes. And automation will be more, and time consume will be very less. So
Very
that's
less.
why we, yes,
If we take like Verilog, we take long time to do test bench evaluation, everything.
yeah, yeah, yes, yes.
It, yeah,
This
runtime will be
yeah,
the more.
and so much debugging time, and also it will take more time
More
if
time.
we do will have, yes, that is the main thing. So that's why this thing. And next, like and here in Verilog, how communication will be happen, like one, like test bench to design in Verilog communication, how it will be happen. This is the next question, like how communication will happen between the, like, test bench and design.
Through reg and wire.
That is data types you are storing, like,
Yeah, yeah.
something that is region where,
But
okay, but some
can you
more
come again with the
space.
question?
We CSS
Inst-
design module
instantation.
and instantiation of the design
Yes,
and
yes,
design
that,
module in test bench.
yeah, in, yes, yes, in top we are instantiation that one, then it will be happen, assigning will be happen.
Yeah.
That is the main thing. Okay, these are the things. And in SV, so communication will be happen through mailbox and semaphores and events. These things will be happen through in SV. Okay, na? In UVM, like analysis ports is like this way. So this is how communication will happen between design and design and verification between the components, all those things. Next come to the, like, what is main difference between 2 states and 4 state data types.
Yeah.
In system data types, there will be like 2 states and 4 states data types will be there. So what's main difference? So why they will need 2 states and 4 states? Don't know anyone?
For
One?
ones and zeros and high impedance states and don't care.
Yeah, that's why that is 4 states, that's for reg and wire. So 2 states also is there,
Yes.
2 state data types. Yeah, so what is main needed for 2 states and 4 states? Why, well, what are the times it is needed when the main application for 2 states, what are the times for 4 states?
To reduce
Uh,
simulation time.
To
what
reduce
I think is
simulation?
hello.
No. Yes, yes.
What I think is in 2 states we have like 0 and 1 like bit and integer. For 4 states we have like impedance like z value or
Yeah,
x value.
yeah. That's why they call two states, four states. But
Yeah.
why that is not called? But why they are using main purpose of that two states and four states?
Speed, sir.
So the data which will come sometimes it will be high impedance. We don't know the value of that correct. Like we'll get don't care and like that. That
That is that will like force 0 force 1 also is there. That is that will be done in DFT next level of next level pod that one. But actually now what is why mainly use is two states they will use for only test bench, because test bench will drive only zeros and ones. So four states they will use in design part, design
yes.
part they will use, yeah, design parts they will use four states, and test bench parts they will use these two states. You observed anywhere they will use two states for test bench, like bit int like this. Okay, these are the like test bench spots they will use, because we want na instance of zeros and ones. That's why they will use two states for
Can we
two
not
states for test bench.
can we not give x value to a register that is declared in a test bench?
X value?
As you're saying that we only use two states for test bench, so in test bench itself, can we not give x or z value to a register in a test bench module?
No, not normally we are not using registers. Only these two states. If you use register, then it will allow unknown value, x value. That is the different. So if you give bit for two states, if you give unknown value, so it will convert to be a default value zeros. That's it. If you give two state value any unknown or high impedance, it will convert to the default values of that data types. You got my point? What I'm doing?
Yeah, you want to say that if I try to also then also they will convert, the test bench will automatically convert to 0 or 1.
Two states all default values, I think zeros. So it will convert their default values. You can try that one. Some simple code you can take
Okay.
and you can run. Yeah. Okay. So if it is there, reg is there, so it will take allow on value. So there is no issue.
Hello.